Faceless YouTube channels have gained immense popularity in recent years. So, if facing the camera is not your forte, you can still generate great content for YouTube and run successful channels to earn profits like a pro through faceless videos. 5 best AI tools to help you create high-quality, engaging, faceless YouTube videos, from script to voice to visuals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, these tools will save you time, energy, and maybe even a small fortune. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 best AI tools to create faceless YouTube videos. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator remains anonymous, never revealing their face or identity on camera. Instead of relying on the creator's physical presence, these channels focus on delivering engaging content through alternative means, such as voiceovers, screen recordings, animations, or text overlays. Faceless YouTube channels span a wide range of niches, from educational content and product reviews to entertainment and storytelling. One notable example of a successful faceless channel is Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, which creates captivating animated videos explaining complex scientific and philosophical concepts. Another example is Primitive Technology, where the creator demonstrates primitive skills and builds impressive structures without ever showing his face or speaking a word. These channels showcase the power of compelling content and unique presentation styles in capturing and retaining an audience's attention. Here are 5 best AI tools to create faceless YouTube videos. 1. ChatGPT, the ultimate scriptwriter. First up is ChatGPT, your go-to scriptwriter, idea generator, and creative assistant. When it comes to creating a faceless YouTube channel, the script is everything. You can have the best visuals in the world, but if your narrative is weak or disorganized, viewers won't stick around. Here's what ChatGPT can do for you. Video ideas. Ask ChatGPT for 10 faceless channel ideas in your niche. Whether it's personal finance, tech reviews, or horror stories, it delivers instantly. Script writing. Just give it a topic like Top 10 Mysterious Places on Earth, and it will generate a full-length, engaging, and SEO-friendly script. Titles and descriptions. Need a click-worthy title or a compelling YouTube description? ChatGPT has your back. Content planning. It can even help you plan a content calendar or suggest upload frequency based on your niche and goals. 2. 11 Labs, realistic AI voiceovers. Next, let's talk about voice, one of the most critical elements in a faceless video. If your audio sounds robotic or unnatural, people will click off fast. That's where 11 Labs comes in. It's one of the most realistic AI voice generators on the market. What makes it amazing? Natural-sounding voices with emotion, intonation, and pacing. Multilingual and multi-accent support. Great for global audiences. You can even clone your own voice or a character voice for consistent branding. Tons of pre-built voices, male and female, with different moods, calm, energetic, dramatic, you name it. Whether you're making top 10 list videos, explainers, or storytelling content, 11 Labs voices will make your videos feel like they were recorded in a professional studio. 3. Pictory, turn scripts into video. Automatically, so you've got your script and voiceover. Now what? Here comes the visual powerhouse, Pictory. Pictory lets you convert text and voice into fully edited videos with AI-selected visuals, animations, and background music. Key features. Paste your script or upload your voiceover, and Pictory automatically finds relevant stock footage and assembles the video. Access to a massive stock library, video clips, images, soundtracks. Add captions, transitions, zoom effects, logos, and more with a drag-and-drop editor. Perfect for quote channels, tutorials, facts videos, motivational content, and explainer channels. You don't need to shoot a single frame or edit anything manually. In minutes, you have a complete video ready to upload. Use custom templates and always preview your video before exporting. A little manual polish on top of the AI's work can make it shine. 4. Canva Pro. Design like a pro without being. 1. You may think Canva is just for thumbnails, but with Canva Pro, it's a multi-tool for faceless creators. From animated video scenes to YouTube intros, transitions, and overlay graphics, Canva Pro helps your channel look professional and branded. Top features for YouTubers. Create custom video scenes for intros, outros, or segments. Use animated elements and transitions for storytelling and motion design. Brand kit tools to maintain consistent fonts, colors, and logos across all your videos. Perfect for quote reels, infographics, how-tos, and channel trailers. Canva also allows you to export transparent graphics, which you can overlay in Pictory, CapCut, or other editors to elevate your visuals. It simplifies the visual storytelling part of faceless videos, even if you have zero design experience. Use Canva's Magic Resize to quickly adapt thumbnails, banners, and templates to different sizes for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. 5. CapCut. Next-level video editing for free. Even after using Pictory or Canva, you might want to fine-tune your final video. This is where CapCut shines. Originally designed for TikTok and Reels, CapCut has become a powerful all-in-one video editor, available on desktop and mobile. Why it's a favorite among faceless creators: easy-to-use timeline editing for arranging clips and audio. Add dynamic text effects, stickers, motion graphics, and AI filters. Voice alignment tools to sync voiceovers with visuals. Supports 1080p and 4K exports. Great for high-quality YouTube content. Built-in access to stock libraries, music, sound effects, and auto captions. CapCut makes advanced editing simple, fast, and free. Perfect for creators who don't want to spend on expensive tools like Adobe Premiere. Use CapCut after assembling your base video in Pictory to add finishing touches like subtitles, sound effects, and smooth transitions. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need a face to build a brand, just the right tools and a creative mindset. See you in the next one.